In the business world, it's all too easy to blur the lines between ambition, goals, and activity, mistakenly assuming they equate to a robust strategy. While ambition fuels our aspirations and goals drive our actions, the critical link that binds them together too often remains insufficiently defined. This connection is where effective strategy thrives, aligning our loftiest ambitions with the tangible steps needed to achieve our goals. Without clarity in these strategic choices, resources become scattered and goals too disjointed for optimized success. The result? Diminished chances of triumphing with customers and rewarding those who invest time, talent, and capital in your business. Strategic choices are a cohesive set of choices that underpin every business leader's path to success. Let's delve into this elusive middle ground of strategy. We start with aspirations, which includes customer and business aspirations. Customer aspiration. How do we aim to enhance our customers' lives? Business aspiration. What's in it for our stakeholders? Aspirations provide the foundation for ambition and set the stage for excellence. You can add metrics to measure progress and enablers of progress. For an in-depth look at the role and structure of aspirations, visit the Strategycad guide. Where to Play defines the playing field where you'll bring your aspirations to life. Comprises elements like jobs to be done, target segments, geography, the needs your business fulfills, your pricing strategy, and more. Ensure consistency among sub-choices, such as aligning pricing with target segments and met needs. See the Where to Play section of the Strategycad guide for more details. The How to Win or Excel choice details how you intend to serve on your playing field better than anyone else. Encompasses your value proposition, product offerings, promotional channels, strengths, resources, weaknesses, and your delivery chain. Also addresses your revenue model and cost structure to ensure the financial feasibility of your aspirations. See the Where to Succeed section of the Strategycad guide for more details. Encompasses the policies, practices, and systems needed to execute and sustain your strategy. Visit the How to Sustain section of the Strategycad guide for more details. At Strategycad, we understand the unfortunate human and financial costs of blurring the lines between ambition, goals, and forecasts with strategy. To rectify this, we've developed a visual canvas-based platform to empower business leaders to design for success. With the assistance of AI, our platform simplifies the process of designing, communicating, and actioning effective strategy. Stay tuned as we continue sharing valuable content on this topic. In the ever-evolving landscape of business strategy, we're here to guide you towards success. You are invited to book a no-obligation consultation with a Strategycad expert. We work with you until you are satisfied or decide the solution is not for you.